Yesterday I have seen the few things regarding the demo. Today we can see the remaining what are the syllabus you guys are going to learn in the course and what are the roles and responsibilities of the tester and few more concepts we are going to see in the today session. Initially we can see what are the syllabus we are going to learn. Later we can discuss about the roles and responsibilities and all other things. First initially we can see the syllabus. I hear that someone asked for the sample notes, so I will share sample notes itself by today. So by that, after seeing the sample notes also, if you like, then you can enter into the course by paying the fee. Okay, no worries on it. Okay, this is the syllabus. Here you can see total three sections are there in the manual testing syllabus. The first section we are having the theoretical concepts. Okay, total three sections. 1 minute. In this course, we are having the two parts mainly. The first one is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Coming to the manual testing again, we are having the three sections. The first section, which is named as the theoretical concepts, where you can find all the theory concepts of the manual testing. Here you can see what are softwares and its types, what is software testing and what is the software quality, project versus product, why do we need testing, error bug failure, why the software has bugs, and why do you choose testing jobs, what are SDLC and their models, waterfall model and spiral model, advantages and disadvantages of the models, difference and definition of service and product based companies, V model and SL model, advantages and disadvantages of the models, difference between agile and waterfall model, QA, QC, QE, difference between QA and QE, verification and validation, static and dynamic testing, black box and white box testing, and levels of testing, system testing and different testings done in the system testing, what are the benefits of system testing, and test design techniques, traceability matrix, sanity and smoke, retesting and regression. These topics are very important. If you are applying for the manual testing job, you will get three questions out of these two and these two. Total four concepts are there, right? Out of these four concepts, you guys are receive at least three questions from the interview. Okay, I will tell you what are the important questions as well for you. And later we can see the test execution report and retro meet and the bug life cycle, STLC, severity and priority. These three topics also very important. These are the complete theoretical concepts in the manual testing. If you are good aware with all these topics which are in the section 1, you can answer 20 to 30% answers in the manual testing interviews. Okay, so after the next one is section 2. 1 minute, 1 minute guys. Okay guys, sorry for the disturbance. Getting what I'm telling guys, the syllabus, what you have, what you guys are going to learn in the classes. Clear about the section 1? Any doubts on it? What are the topics we are going to discuss in the section 1? Okay, these are the topics. And next one is section 2. In section 2, we are going to see two tools mainly practically. The first one is test trial and second one is Jira. First one is test trial and second one is Jira. First one is test trial account creation. Later, how to create project in the test trial and how to add users to the project. How to create test cases in the test trial. Test trial is a tool where we can store the test cases which is written by us. Okay. For example, if you want to cook any food, you are going to store it in the refrigerator, right? In similar way, if you want to write the test cases, you have to store it in the test trial to use it further. Okay, this tool is very important. Next one is Jira. Jira introduction, we can see what is user story, what is epic, what is bug, what is task, how to create a bug, scrum board, kanban board. These all the topics we are going to see from the section 2 entire practical session. And third one is real-time project explanation on any one of the domain. Example, mostly we are going to take on the HRM, is nothing but human resource management. Okay. In that section 3, we are going to see what is meant by FRS or SRS document and what is meant by test plan, what is meant by test scenario, what is meant by defect reporting, and all these things we are going to see in the section 3. Okay, after seeing all these things, I am going to explain you how to write the test cases as well, and I will check your assignments as well. If there is any issues while writing the test cases, we'll explain to you. Okay, this is the manual testing course. Okay, after completion of this course, I am going to provide many materials which helps a lot at the time of interviews. Here you can see this is the manual where you can see test trial account creation, Jira account creation, and Jira document, interview questions and resume documents, and sample resumes. Here you may see sample resumes, manual testing project documents, and manual testing interview questions and test cases for interviews. Sometimes in interviews they will ask very easily, uh, please tell test cases for certain object. Here you can see, please tell test cases for the calculator. You know all those things, how to write the test cases, but at that time it won't strike to your mind, right? So simply what you can see is, if you prepare at least one object for every day, the course is there for 45 days or 40 days. If you prepare one, uh, if you take 5 minutes or 10 minutes time to have a look on the test scenarios or test cases of the calculator, or else any one of the objects, so many objects are available here daily. If you go through one object, you have an idea how they guys are given the test cases, how to write the titles for it, how to write the test cases for it. Okay, I will provide this document as well. And apart from that, you guys are able to see these manual testing notes. Today I'm going to provide a sample notes from this one. I will provide first class notes for the sample by cutting. So here you can see every day, you can see the topics what we are going to discuss in that particular day. And after that we have to see the question, what is software and its type, and below we are going to see the answer for it. Okay, if there is any practical answer for that, it will be there, practical answer as well, theoretical answer, practical answer, both will be there. Here you can see what is software testing, what is software quality, what is project versus product, why do we need testing? Error, bug, failure. What is the differences? Why the software has bugs? Why do you choose testing job? These are the first class notes. I'm going to share this first class notes as a sample for you guys today. So remaining all classes will be unlocked once you are done with the payment and once you are joined in the course after confirmation with your institutes. Okay, clear about the sample notes? Any doubts on it? Vishwant, Shami, Jyoti, Maunika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So next we can see the what are the topics you guys are going to learn in the automation. This is the document for the automation. Training topics to be covered, additional benefits from training is nothing but what are the topics we are going to cover. Again, we can see once before starting the Selenium, and after that we can see the what are the additional benefits from the training. For example, once you are done with the course, we are providing the recordings, we are explaining the resumes, how to prepare on it, and we are giving some interview questions which consist 600 interview questions for the automation. And additionally, we are providing so many documents like Jira documents, Git documents, SQL documents. We are giving so many which is not included in the course. Okay, those are the additional benefits. And introduction to software testing and automation testing, and introduction to Selenium WebDriver, introduction to automation testing, introduction to Selenium, Selenium components, advantages and disadvantages, Selenium versus UFT, Selenium versus Silk, Selenium versus UFT, Selenium versus Silk. And next one is Selenium configuration installation. Here in this first session, we have seen only all the theoretical concepts of the Selenium, why we are using and why Selenium is best compared with other tools. Okay, and after that, we people are going to configure the Selenium. We people are going to configure the Selenium. Okay, so I will tell you the Selenium WebDriver introduction and Eclipse and WebDriver environment setup, and create first test case using the Selenium WebDriver. Once we are done with this para, we are going to learn the web elements, element locators, and all the locators concept. This is the heart of the automation framework. If you want to write test case, test script for any test case, these concepts are very important. These concepts are very important. And next one is Java. It's very important. If you want to work with the automation testing, first of all, you people has to know three things. The first one is any of the tool, whether it may be Selenium or Cypress or whatever tool you want to use, you have to select any one tool. And after done with the tool, you have to select one programming knowledge, whether it is a Java, Python, C Sharp, whatever it is. Okay, in this course we are choosing the first one is Selenium, second one is Java, and third one is you need to select any one of the framework. We are going to select TestNG framework and Cucumber framework in this Java, in this course. Okay, total these three types are very important while you guys are learning any automation course. Okay, these are the Java concepts from the scratch which are helpful to you to write the scripts. And after that, automation course again started once the Java is completed. How to handle frames, how to capture screenshots of failed test cases, what is implicit and explicit, handle cookies, ByAll locator, how to select an option from auto suggest drop down, and testing concepts. TestNG concepts is nothing but it's a framework. How to install it, how to use it, what are the methods available in it. Practically, we can see all those things. Okay. Later, we can see the Maven. Maven is nothing but it's a build tool. How to create it, how to create a Maven project, and what are the benefits of Maven, all those things we can see. Later we can see some framework concept. As I said that we are having three types of frameworks: data driven, keyword driven, hybrid, right? Those three frameworks we are going to see in depth with the help of the Cucumber and BDD. Okay, these are the concepts. Here you can see BDD with Cucumber. Yes, all these things we can see. Benefits, of course, you already know. Yesterday explained, recording sessions will get it. There will be expiry date for it. You people have to download within expiry and you have to store it in your local. That is the recording sessions concepts. Okay, any doubts so far in the syllabus? I will share the syllabus document to you today.
Okay, sir.
And any doubts? What about others?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's see what are the other topics we are going to discuss in the today's session. 1 minute. Yes, we have seen first three, and now we can see. Now we already see tools used in the manual. It's nothing but syllabus we just seen today. We left over with tester roles and responsibilities. Okay. These are the major tester roles and responsibilities, whether it may be automation tester, whether it may be manual tester, whoever it is. These are the sum of the roles. Okay, these are not a fixed one. We are having the additional roles and responsibilities also there, but these are the sum of the responsibilities on it. Testing roles and responsibilities. Analyzing the requirements from user stories and understanding functionality of the feature, and work closely with the development staff in all phases of development. It means we have to analyze the requirements from the user stories. We have to analyze the requirements from user stories and understanding the functionality of the feature. First, few people has to understand the functionality of the feature and work closely with the development staff in all phase of development. Okay, work closely with the development staff in all phase of development, communicate more with the developers and end users, and participating in preparing the test plans. Participating preparing the test plans is nothing but you people has to involve in the team to write the test plans. Okay, that's what he's telling here. And next one is preparing test scenarios, preparing test cases for the product. Preparing test cases for the product is nothing but you people have to write the test cases for it. Okay, and preparing test data. If you want to prepare the test cases for it, first you people have to prepare the test data for it, right? So that's what he's telling here. And next one is preparing test environment. Preparing test environment to execute the test cases and analyzing the test cases prepared by other team members and executing the test cases, defect tracking, giving mandatory information of a defect to develop in order to fix it. Is nothing but whenever you found any issue, you people have to give a clear steps for it. Otherwise, it's not possible to fix it as soon as possible. Okay, and giving mandatory information of a defect to develop in order to fix it, and retesting the fixed bugs. You already created a bug which you faced. మీరు ఒక బగ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దానికి కొన్ని స్టెప్స్ ఇచ్చారు డెవలపర్కి, ఇట్లా ఫిక్స్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పి. అప్పుడు డెవలపర్ ఫిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ ఫిక్స్ చేసిన బగ్ని మీరు మళ్ళీ టెస్ట్ చేయాలి. Okay, preparing some suggestion documents to improve the quality of the application. These are the some of the roles and responsibilities. ఇవే roles and responsibilities కాదు, ఇవి complete roles and responsibilities కాదు. These are the some of the 50 to 60% roles and responsibilities in your testing career. Okay, remaining roles and responsibilities will be noticed further classes. Don't, no worries about it. Okay, so I'm going to share this document as well with you today. The course timings was 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, Saturday Sunday the classes will not be there now. If required, by the end of the course we are going to take. Okay, at present no classes are there on the weekends. 6:30 to 7:30. The classes will start from Monday. Okay, if you guys are interested to join in the course, you guys can join, and the actual classes will start from Monday. Okay, we are done with the demos. We have given the two demos. Yesterday I have given one demo, today I have given one demo, and tomorrow we don't have class, and Saturday Sunday is holiday. From Monday onwards we are going to start the classes. Okay, how the timetable is, there is nothing but from Monday to Thursday we are having the Monday to Friday we are having the classes. On Friday I will give a task to you, and everyone should do the task. On next Monday we have to check the task which is given by me. Okay, I will analyze the task which is given to the people and I will check it. It's a revision session on the Monday. What are the topics we discussed in the previous 1 week? Okay, clear? I will share these two documents with you. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts so far? No.
No, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubts please let me know. We'll share this recording session as well. The people who joined lately can go through the recording session. And again I'm telling, tomorrow we don't have class. Saturday Sunday is holiday. From Monday onwards we are going to start the actual classes. Today itself I am going to share the sample notes after completion of this class. Okay, itself. After quit this meeting, immediately I will share the sample document to your institute people. You can collect from them how the notes looks like. So I already told you by showing that notes in the screen. But again, few people who are asking that sir, your institutes told that few people are asking the sample notes. That's why I'm going to provide a one class notes for the free of cost. So you can have a look on it. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day. We'll meet you all again. I hope all the people are interested to join. I will meet all you people on again on Monday. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.